Oh my gosh. I guess I'm gonna be in the dark. P.O. freaking V, guys. I am gonna go pick up my sister from the airport.
Hey, mister, won't you sell me a fake ID? There's a band in the bar that I'm dying to see.
The lighting is just so bad. It's just so bad. I don't know how to fix this. I'm gonna go pick her up. I hope she screams for joy or something. I don't know.
I'm excited to Texas. Okay, time to eat games. Let's go. I had to pee. It's terrible. We are lost already. It's been 5 minutes. Basically, my day consisted of being at the Phoenix airport for like 6 hours, and I literally did nothing because my brain was fried. So now we're going to Kings. I had to pee so bad. And I'm devastated because I didn't bring my fur hat for Tyler the Creator. So now I'm basically doomed. I'm so happy right now. This gets 5 big boobs. Boom! 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 She says she met me on the tour. First floor person. I'm not a third floor person.
Well, unfortunately, I am on the 3rd floor, so she doesn't have a choice.
She said take your time, what's the rush?
Excuse me, you drop your iPhone 16 Pro Max.
Check the fit. Oh yeah. Pants are, shoes, Steve Madden. Pants, Lucan, on sale. Top, Addicted, on sale. This from her closet. This from her school. Okay, let's go. Let's go. What are you doing?
There's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. Please.
I'm so sleepy, bro.
Well, I'm excited.
We met Buc-ee.
Show the pic.
Oh yeah.
I've never seen it.
We met Buc-ee.
We touched Buc-ee. How would you rate your experience?
10 out of 10 because I saw Buc-ee.
Or she dabbed up Buc-ee.
Everybody, come on, off your seat. Brisket, the sliced brisket sandwich. Yup. Some Buc-ee's chips with it. And then I need dessert, obviously. So I've never tried this before, but it's like a pie, whoopie pie, confetti or whatever, birthday cake. And then I got a chocolate chip cookie, and then I got some chocolate because I was craving chocolate.
Yana's first freaking bite of a Buc-ee's brisket sandwich.
I'm so okay. First bite.
It's good? Do you actually like it? It's good. It's good. See you in San Antonio, maybe. I don't know. We'll find out.
My love is R-I-T-I-C-U-L-O-U-S. R-I-T-I-C-U-L-O-U-S.
What's up, guys? I'm 16. I'm the new player on the basketball team. I'm really excited to play. Yeah, Mr. Bolton, we know it's you.
Now I gotta cut loose, foot loose.